All right, my friends. So Web3 is changing everything. And you can either stick your head in the sand and pretend that it's not happening, or you can really get proactive to make sure that you're set up to take advantage of all the changes that are ahead of us. Now, Ryan's giving some huge hands up, and I don't want you to miss it. So listen up, my friends. Whether you know nothing about Web3 or managing a community or have your own NFT collection, when Ryan talks about industry trends, I listen. Now, he's built businesses within over 23 different niches. He's made $32 million and has a 4.1 million email subscriber list. So he knows and sees opportunities, and he's been obsessed with Web3 and what it means for business owners. Now, he has discovered that there are some very, very specific strategies that you can implement right now. So when you enter your name, you'll get access to the code for $100 off, and you get this workshop for free. So here's a taste of what you're going to get in this immensely huge workshop, right? It's a full week of interactive, get it done live training. And it's from June 13th through the 18th, including a dedicated live Q&A. You're going to discover how to choose your quiz topic. You're going to come up with your big idea, your questions, and we'll even build out the quiz in real time. Now, if you can't make it live, it's all good. Your ticket includes a free digital replay pass just until June 26th. You'll get resources with different funnel templates, 90 pages of real life quiz examples, and you'll also get a step-by-step quiz funnel blueprint, right? Yeah, and much more. So the next big bonus is I'm going to be sliding in the details when you lock in your name and get this $100 off this free workshop. I really want you to have a safe ground for you to come in and learn and continue the process. So I'm going to give you access to one free seed coin that is represented as the currency to unlock the garden doors to the Growth Guild. And it's all made for entrepreneurs and to reduce your stress with this huge learning curve and to really think about what you want to create. Because I'm telling you, courses galore, tons of free PDFs, positivity, porn, scrolling on Facebook and IG, where you don't own your data. The economy has changed, and it's time for you to start taking back your power, and the time is now. So I'm going to be giving you a coin, and you're going to be able to access the private community into the Growth Guild. And I really am about reducing high achiever stress disorder, taking it step by step, slowly, because I know how overwhelming Web3 is. In fact, only 3% know the lingo or really understand the revolution that is happening right now. Which brings me why we have to really look at this revolution, the blockchain, the Web3, all these different strategies, and really start to think about, what do I want to create just because I love it? What is going to set me up for success and understanding the creator economy? What is the new way of creating business of a lifetime and creating longevity versus these constant launches and burnout, etc. The entire game is changing, my friend, and it's available to you. So right now it's critical. It's time to resolve all this past trauma that we've experienced from toxic hierarchies and to really rebuild an entire belief system and the way that we create wealth from the bottom up, right? And that's why I created the seed coin as your currency to get you into the Growth Guild. So I hope that you join me. Go ahead and grab your free ticket to Ryan's workshop, as well as by dropping your email, you're going to get one seed coin for free from yours truly. All my love, all my light, and I'll see you on the inside.